Welcome to Tech Notice. This is going to be a very quick video, but because there is no other videos that I can find about this product on the internet or on YouTube, I thought I'm going to share my experience. This is the unboxing of the Falcon Eyes BL-30TD Mark II. Let's do it. Okay, this is the outer shipment package that comes with it. I'm just gonna slice it open from this side. Okay, looks like it's gonna come in a hard case like this. Let's get this out. Okay, hard case like that, pretty big. Falcon Eyes over here. I'm wondering, I think this is the top, so I reckon we should open it this way. Okay, ready? Voila! This is what's inside the box. You've got this little dish. That's the Bowen's mount dish. We have an antenna, probably for the dimmer box. Let's see, how do we get this light off here? Oh, okay. There's an extension cable of the power cord, which is 2, 4, 6, 7-pin XLR over here. And then we have the BL-30TD Mark II, as you can see over here. There's like a little protection on the top over here, protects the LED. There's a locking mechanism over here. If you pull this back, like that, now it comes open. We have this LED over here. There's all sorts of cooling and stuff going on over there. Let me just slot that back in there. Okay, that's a little bit odd. Can't quite figure out which way does it go inside. Now, there's another cable over here. This is the power cord, and obviously in the UK you get this in the UK. This is quite long. We got the strap over there as well. And then we've got the main unit over here. Well, main unit, by main unit I mean the power plug unit over here. So there's two V-lock battery mounts on each side, on this side and on this side. Then there is on the back over here, we've got the output, which goes to the light over here with the extension cable over here as well. On and off switch, you've got power straight to the mains. You've got DMX over here, which is actually like a Ethernet cable for DMX if you wanted to. On the top over here, there is little LCD, dimmer, color temperature, function and channel. So you can change these over here as well. Little fan on this side, and that's it. Okay, looks fantastic. Can't wait to test it out. Okay, and that's what's inside the box. If you have any other questions or you would like me to review certain parts of it, I'm looking forward to it, and meet me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Adios.